Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Our today topic is about introducing others. This is the subtopic of introductions. So, how to introduce others in front of the existing persons when we have the new stranger person. So let's start it. First, you should just start this one with greetings. Hi, hello, assalamu alaikum, whatever you are going to just follow, and then followed by the name appropriate this thing. Then provide your name in first. Hello, I am mean. First, you introduce yourself. Then introduce the person which you have, and then you should go for the introduction of that person fully, mean entirely. So go for this these types of like describe the person fully. So how to describe this person? First of all, look like, or how does she look like this height, hair and face, like these all the qualities we just mentioned, these all like descriptive way. We have to describe the person fully in descriptive way, then we have to use this. So in descriptive mode, we just mention the first name of that person, then the qualities of that person, then interest, and then the profession of that person's background of that person should be in descriptive way. So for example, these are the instances of that person's like dark skin, etc. Like the blade persons, like overweighted persons. So these all are descriptive words, mean the qualities of that person's what we are just going to describe. And then these are also like qualities that he is an honest, straightforward, these all. And then showing lititos. Lititos means this is the term we use the good words to showing the bad things. For example, he's not honest. So instead of dishonest, we use honest just to like the impression should be good by using these words. So interested should be just warm the person interested. Then additional information these all also have been discussed in this one. The language focus should be applied for singulars. These this is the table showing the singular nouns, pronouns, etc. And we can use these all in our talk. And the interrogative means just we have to confirm these by using single interrogative from our existing persons. For example, does my best friend look more mature? Just the answer I think so will be there, yes or no. So these are the singular interrogatives. So here is a dialogue. I will just put this dialogue in description. If you want to learn about more about this topic, you can just look at here and study it, then just create your own introduction of your friend or someone. Thank you.